Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video, I'm going to be opening up this section of my house, the walls. If you remember, a few months ago I made a video about wasps taking over my house, where it was this section of my house. And I mean, there's a lot of bees. I tried my best to get them with a vacuum and like some spray, but it didn't really even help that much. I haven't seen them flying around the last few weeks. So I'm really hoping they're hibernating, or at least not active, where I can take this section out. See how it's really soft? A couple years ago we replaced these two logs because it was getting really soft. But this time it's because of bees. Or wasps, sorry, not bees, these are wasps. So I really have no idea what I'm gonna get into. I hope that they're hibernating, so I'm just gonna get rid of them and then just get them out of my house. And then later on, not today, but later on we're gonna replace these and then put these on again. So we'll see. I hope I don't get stung, but I don't think they will. I think they're hibernating. I think it's been at least 3 weeks since I've seen them going in and out, but we'll see. So let's go. There's a wasp right there. There's a wasp here, one here. Oh, look at that, that one's alive. All right, so I did find my first live one. Hopefully I don't run into a problem of them swarming inside my house. That right there is a wasp nest. I'm just mainly getting all the soft parts, which there is quite a bit. This is all still pretty hard, so I'm gonna leave that. Oh look, see? That's a termite, or some kind of wood-eating insect. So I can't blame the whole thing on the wasp. These are definitely doing a lot of damage. So I'll have to spray this, and hopefully I can kill them. But I'm probably gonna leave a lot of this since it's hard. Big hollow part there. And I'm just gonna continue going that way. This is just like falling apart in my hands. Look at this. This is like a never-ending project. I'm trying to get all the softwood, but it pretty much is all soft. Look at all this hollow. You can just take that all out. And then in here, this is pretty much all soft. You can see it's totally hollow now. You can see the light coming through here. That's where the wasps are coming in, pretty much all along in there. Once I get all of this out, get the rest of the soft stuff out, then later on, I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but my dad, thank you Dad, he's going to do the rest of it. So hopefully I can get this done before I leave on my trip, because I'll be gone for a while. And of course I don't want to leave this big old hole in my wall for the whole winter. My dad is gonna help me install this part Probably throw some cement back there. So hopefully the wasps don't come back. But you know, wasp is not the only problem. I saw some termites there, so I'm gonna spray this with some wasp and bug spray to hopefully get rid of them. Chloe, what do you think? She doesn't know what's going on. But it looks like this is gonna take a lot of cement to fill that all in. We're coming along. Got my helper now, right? You can help me? I think you need one of these masks too. But I'm probably about halfway done. And there's only so much of this stuff you can breathe. I kind of got a cold anyway. And this stuff isn't helping. I think I'm gonna open some windows to get some of this dust out. You should have seen it before. Especially with all this. Dust was everywhere. So if my house ever caught on fire, this is about how fast it would catch. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But it feels pretty nice. It's kind of cooler out, so I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy this fire for a minute, take a little break. Well, as I work today, my dad and my brother got a lot of stuff done to the wall. You can kind of see they filled this in with cement down below and then put some boards in for support. We're just gonna let that dry. We got these for the outer parts. These are just gonna go right here. These are kind of like the same thing. And then right now, I'm going to spray this. So hopefully this will keep them away. We'll see. I'm gonna spray pretty much everything I can possibly see in here. I don't think you're supposed to do this indoors, but I got my little mask. Alright, well, it's not a perfect match, but I think it'll do. I'll probably do another coat after it dries a little bit, but this is what I have so far. Alright, well, this will be my last video probably until I take off to the Philippines. So, my next one, I'll be in the Philippines. So you guys take care, and see you next time. Alright, bye.